I ended up in a salon and cut my hair, and my mother used to yell at me, "Oh, your hair is gone, your skin is gone, this movie industry has killed everything." So, it's as usual complaint of a mother. So, but now I think I can, boast myself, like saying that, yes, my hair is looking really nice, and I don't have to cut those split ends too many times. And, it has been really smooth and really, it has detangled my hair. And also, I think, whenever I feel that I can color my hair or I can go for a styling change, Pantene has actually taken care of my look and obviously the flow. So I'm very, very thankful to New Improved Pantene. And I must say that it has become a household name now, and it has always been there for the girls to take care of the hair.
That's so lovely indeed, Ira. On that note, I'm going to come back to Yami again. Now, I'm sure a lot of us here would want to know that, again, the male co-stars, well, they really don't have to go through this grind of, they've got one hairstyle, they've got to maintain it, max, they'll spike it or color it. But it's the women, with every role that you play, you have a new hairstyle. So aren't you like jealous of your male co-stars, or are you like happy in your own hair, like happy in your own skin?
No, I think there's nothing like being a girl with, who can flaunt her hair and all that. So I'm sure they're jealous of us somewhere. And it'll be interesting to see all them going through all that. I think it'll be very interesting. But apart from that, yes, that's very right. I think our profession demands that grilling and that whole, I think, unapologetic torture that goes, through the hair, from ironing and blow drying and products and even the lights that we work on. They're not really healthy for your hair. Yeah, so you name it. And so I think that's where it's really come to a rescue. I think I really felt a difference. And so yeah, correct? Yeah, very true.
I'm going to borrow some attention of Mahi from the photographer. Sorry there. But Mahi, was there any time, when you must have totally freaked out and, suddenly decided to color your hair like bright red or bright purple, anything like that? Or, anything freaky that you've done with hair?
I have been wanting to experiment with my hair for a very long time. I did it once and it went really bad, wrong. But this time, after now when I colored my hair and I used the Pantene, I think it didn't make much of a difference. And it's become healthier and nicer and very smooth. I mean, the hair became very rough initially, but after using Pantene, I think you can see my hair, you can feel it. They're really soft and nice.
That's superb there. They always say that, when you have a great hair day, you feel so confident, and confidence thy name right now.
Hair day, you're gone.
Make a difference. Yeah, I have that kind of, scenario, because before every event, I'm looking in the mirror, ki sab kuch theek hai, lekin yeah, what about the hair? Is it just going to sit well or not? So yeah, we all go through that. But right now, I feel that confidence thy name is Yami.